Hi, I want to introduce myself. I am Luigi Tumbaga Palibero from Philippines. My age is 36. I have two child, one son, age 16, and one daughter, age 14. And I work last time in Malaysia for 10 years. I started to work there 2014 and I finished my contract 2025. My my personality is I am kind, honest, and obedient. I'm willing to listen with my boss instruction, and I do my best to do my job better and to fulfill my duties. And I'm willing to work with coworkers also, and I prepare to work anything as long as the job is I can uh, fulfill. I can manage the job better. I will do everything to satisfy my employer. That's all. Thank you.